friends, welcome back to my channel ArtWindow. You want to create a backdrop for someone's birthday party or any special celebration. What will you prefer? Flowers, won't you? Flowers are the most preferred backdrop for any occasion, and rushing to the market at 11th hour may not be possible. So here is the solution for your decorative need. Let's have a look upon how to make decorative colorful flowers. So let's begin. Let's have a look upon how these flowers are used for Ganesh Chaturthi backdrop. Materials required are a foam paper, scissors, stapler, a rounder, few stickers, a Fevicol, and A4 size chart papers along with some green colored origami sheets. Let us first start with the yellow flower. Take one sheet at a time and fold it like a fan. The other sheet, now fold the sheets half. Join the petals. Now join both the sides together. Yellow flower is ready. It needs some decoration. Take the foam paper now. We need to draw two circles. will decorate it later. Now take the green chart papers. We have to repeat the same technique. Now join both the parts. Our green flower is also ready. Now use the Fevicol to stick or cut out on the flower. Now let us decorate both our flowers. We will apply few crystals on the flower. We are done with the yellow flower. Now let us start with the green one. Decorative flowers are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.